Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Fidelity Investments how to wire transfer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To send or receive a wire transfer with Fidelity Investments, what you need to do is head over and open up your Fidelity Investments app. Then once inside, be sure to be logged into the app as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on trade or tap on accounts. And once you're inside accounts, simply tap on the option that says transfer. And once you're inside the transfer section, what you need to do is tap on send money. And once you're inside your send money section, choose wire transfer. Then select from your Fidelity account to add recipient bank details, which must be verified. Then next, enter the amount, bank routing number, bank account number, account type from checkings or savings, and recipient name. Lastly, check all the details and submit and confirm the wire request. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.